How old was I when I first seen old Rivers? Can't remember when he weren't around. Had an old mule he called Midnight. Spent his whole life walking plowed ground. He used to plow them roads. He'd plow them straight and deep. And I'd walk along behind, busting up clods with my own bare feet. See, old Rivers was a friend of mine. Well, the sun would get high, and that mule would balk. Finally, old Rivers, he'd say, whoa. Then he'd lean back on his reins. He'd mop his brow, and he'd tell me about a place he's gonna go. He'd say, one of these days I'm gonna climb that mountain, walk up there among them clouds, where the cotton's high and the corn's a growing. There ain't no fields to plow. Got a letter from home today. Folks are fine, crops are dry. Down in the corner, Mom penned a little note. Said, son, you know, old Rivers died. Well, I'm sitting here now in this new furnished office. Nothing around me I see, but way out there across them clouds I see that mule, old Rivers, and me. And one of these days I'm gonna climb that mountain, walk up there among them clouds, where the cotton's high and the corn's a growing. There ain't no fields to plow. Yeah, one of these days I'm gonna climb that mountain, walk up there among them clouds, where the cotton's high, the corn's a growing. There ain't no fields to plow. Sun beating down across them clouds I see that mule, old Rivers, and me. In a pair of faded overalls and her mother's old high heels, she wobbles up and takes a shaky bow. She smiles that little smile that hides her missing baby tooth, manages to sing that way somehow. She starts with Delta Dawn, and then she sings Amazing Grace, and squints her eyes and sings, I fought the law. And as the wind comes a-blowing through the old high corn stalks, it seems to her it sounds just like applause. And she's just singing to the scarecrow, dancing through the field, with a kitten named Bojangles in her arms, trying to let the whole world know how wonderful it feels to singing to the scarecrow. She looks into the scarecrow's eyes and looks into his heart and tries to find a song to ease his pain. So she sings faded love until the skies grow black and dark and his tears fall with the pouring rain. She's just singing to the scarecrow, dancing through the field with a kitten named Bojangles in her arms, trying to let the whole world know how wonderful it feels to be here on this North Carolina farm. Singing to the scarecrow. Now the little girl is grown and she's singing on the road. She left that North Carolina farm behind, but she sings herself back home when she's at the microphone. Smiles that little smile and squints her eyes, and she's singing to the scarecrow, dancing through the field with a kitten named Bojangles in her arms, trying to let the whole world know how wonderful it feels to be here on this North Carolina farm. Singing to the scarecrow, singing to the scarecrow. I love you, baby. Remember when the music came from wooden boxes strung with silver wire, and as we sang the music set our souls on fire. We believed in things, and so we'd sing. Remember when the music brought us all together to stand inside the ring, and as we joined our hands, we met in the refrain of peace and love, how our hearts did sing. All the times we listened, all the times we heard, to the friends who now are missing their music and their words, and all the different voices and choices we had then. How I wish we had those choices again. Remember when the music brought the night across the campground as the day went down, and as we hummed the melody, we were safe inside the sound, and we could sleep. We had dreams to keep. we sang the music, set our souls on fire. We believed in things, and so we'd sing, and so we'd sing. Far away in sunny mountains, where fairest sunbeams dwell, there I wandered through a clover, singing to a village bell. She was dearer than the dearest, ever loving, kind, and true. And she wore beneath her bonnet amber tresses tied in blue. Fate decreed that we be parted ere the leaves of autumn fell. Then two hearts were separated that had loved each other well. She was all I had to cherish, ever loving, kind, and true. Now I see in every vision amber tresses tied in blue. She was all I had to cherish, ever loving, kind, and true. And she wore beneath her bonnet amber tresses tied in blue. There are times when I'm blue, thinking of you and me, and midnight on the water, how it used to be. There are stars among the clouds and memories I know, and midnight on the water, it was long ago. But now they're gone like floating shadows. The scene was there as in a mirror. The moon was on the water, and our love was never stronger, and the picture was broken by waves we left behind. And midnight on the water once upon a time. But now they're gone like floating shadows. The scene was there as in a mirror. The moon was on the water, and our love was never stronger, and the picture was broken by waves we left behind. Once upon